ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kajingyalang hapadeng Kajentia Hills Truck Owners Association but kakinhon kinong penmi dobilat hapo kalama jongka all Gentia Hills Cement Manufacturers Association kabalalong ha kashipotri kubanay no pra arajar arpuway ha conference hall ka office deputy commissioner kalakut klem saiso. Yagani kajingyalang lakot do in charge deputy commissioner jongka East Gentia Hills District uba SS Imli nakabenta ban penbet ya ka dor by kit do bilan but klinkers bala penbena daga sarkar jilla nado ka khatlai tarik ubnai kala lingkot 8000 arpo lingba katanat transport u president jong ke AJC MA u RK Parik haba kren kilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingelang ulaong hagi jingelang ki bala dem kila menjur ban shalan 6000 shispa metric ton ka do bilat lingba ki trok badla da sngoduna kila ban ya keren bat kitrai karkhana penmi dobilan ban penkeu ya kajing shalan. Ulaong bakitrai trok kila pensange amtang ya kitrok bakit dobilan bat klinkers henrai kila pensange eru wat ya kajing wan jong kitrok ki bakit ya ki mar ki mata ki badankam na kabenta ki karkhana bat kani kajing le jong ki kala ban wanra kajing khang dam ya ki karkhana. Presiden jong ka JHTOA uba nidaman chulet ulaong ka seng ka yang scam ha ka nongrim man nang pan klan ya ka jingya ki kadba ampat yo ya ka jingdawa ula pente bru balasai ka sngi ken sa shong jingya lang biang bat ki karkhana shwa bakin shim ya ka rai ka bakhaddo laban penken mau hang ni ba nado baka sarkar kala penbena ya ka dor kit mar thammai ki trai trok ki ya khi klem sange ban penbor ya ki karkhana ban pentrekam ya ka dor thammai hanrei ki he karkhana kim pentrekam ya ka dor thammai bala penbena daga sarkar.
Lots of infrastructure projects are going on, and most of the projects are using only Meghalaya produced cement. And all these products have come now in the world, and it has affected largely. Even we are receiving phone calls from the ministers from different projects here regarding supply of the cement, when it will be done. Even in Meghalaya also, the people who are from Shillong and all, they are also suffering badly because it is a dry season and lots of construction will go on. So entire northeast is suffered badly with this strike.
The strike has been, we come to know the strike report through the only media, newspaper. That's it. After that we approached to the authority DC. He has called the urgent meeting on 4th. On that 4th, it has been decided, okay, we will discuss the meeting, etc. But nothing is been happened. Again, DC has called a meeting today. Certain demands what they are making, we have already given the payment to them as per the discussion made, as per the government of the notifications, Meghalaya, that loading in Meghalaya and unloading in Meghalaya will be paid accordingly. Now they are telling 0 point etc., which we don't remember. There was no such discussion previously about the 0 point etc. However, we have made a commitment in writing. Previously there is some less dispatch in particular in Barnihar that around 700 ton per day, which we have agreed about 1100 metric ton per day. And on the basis of that, the plant has been, discussion has been made. Now, today's discussion, we have also agreed today that if they are not agreed, we will discuss among our members to increase further more quantity to dispatch in Barnihar. But sir, this is purely depends on the requirement of the market. This is not necessary, just we are to dispatch whatever the quantity is needed as per the association. This is as per the requirement of the market. We can dispatch whatever they like if the consumption is more. In Meghalaya, only 8 to 10% cement consumption. And our lot of the cement is going for outside. Anyway, that the present DC has agreed about the 6 persons from the association side, and from our side we will discuss among them Tomorrow again we will sit down with the TC and we try to come on the conclusion. They have stopped all the vehicles, cement and clinker on the way. Even that, certain raw materials vehicles was coming from the outside. They have also been stopped. And if these will be not been allowed by the government, which this thing or by them also, this industry will suffer a lot, may close also.
We had lots of discussion regarding the issues, pertaining to the issues. So we have come to the conclusion that the demand has to be met, and tomorrow we'll have a meeting along with the Cement Factory Association. We'll have a agreement that they do and don't, like what they cannot do, what they can do. So after that, I hope that it will be settled, it will be final and binding. Actually, today we have put the point with during a meeting. We are the locals, we are deprived of business opportunities we are getting. Actually, what has happened, if they are not giving us an opportunity, where will we go? Where will we go for business? Should we go to UP? Should we go to Punjab? Should we go to Assam? If we didn't have that right and justice to do a business, why should they interfere? Why should they have all the fun and have all the business opportunity here?
Wah, pumbat kini ga, ay kita kador gua ay sorkari kan ugam tegam idangu continue being strike na like perpari pajbale yo cha gi gijing itu ugani pumbat ki da kular gi wo menstep wo pumbat ugani gi cement factory wo yo chong menstep oki hadin yang menstep yo pat ki gua pumbat yang ki wo talada bat ki andre ye ka yang strike lanam bat ki continue being strike.